Yeah, welcome back here, my beautiful people. Wherever you're watching me from, you're watching on Successful, yeah? God bless you for always coming back, watching my videos. As you can see, I'm here in Berlin Hauptbahnhof, about to go back, guys. You know, my journey was successful coming to Berlin. I did not achieve all I expected by accomplishing having my name, which is national identification number, right? But at the same time, I'm happy. I saw my brother and I saw my son, guys. So right now, let's go in. All right, our train is gonna leave around our train is leaving around 9:01. All right, guys, 9:01. That's when our train. You can see here is Berlin Hauptbahnhof. Very big and beautiful, guys. This is Berlin Hauptbahnhof over here. I'm inside Berlin Hauptbahnhof, guys. And see, beautiful. Let's go, guys. Let's go to Gleich 14. Yeah, Gleich 14. This here we're gonna. This here you can see how beautiful this place looks like. Gleich 14. This here we're gonna take our bus to Dortmund. So, yeah, beautiful. Inside Berlin Hauptbahnhof. We got 11 to 14. So, this one is not working. 11 to 14. Let's go down. Okay, here. It's 14, guys. Wow, this place is so beautiful, guys. I'm inside this place, Berlin Hauptbahnhof. All right. Yeah. And see, here is Gleich 14. Let's say first. I see that Magdeburg 9:01. Gleich 14. So I'm in the right place, guys. Let's go up and take our train. Yeah. Thank God. Johnny Mercy all the time. In Jesus' name. Amen. Let's go, guys. I said let me show you guys at least a little bit of how I'm going back. You know? A little bit of how I'm going back to Dortmund. Yeah. Oh. Please let go. Let's see. And this one, as you can see on the board, we are using the one of Potsdam, Brandenburg, and Magdeburg. Magdeburg, I will change my train. So I'm in the right place, guys. Alright? And this is how the Bahnhof looks like. A lot of people are here. Traveling. 24th December. This is me, guys. Mangali. Alright? Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. I did not sleep well, guys, but it's all good. All the same. Therefore, we sleep. No rest till the mission is accomplished. Alright? Yes. And this is my bag. You guys know. It's my bag. And here is my handbags that I used to travel. And this train standing right here, I don't know if it's the exact one I should be using to travel with. But it's better I just hang around a little bit before I made a mistake. Alright, yes. So let me stop this video here. See you guys when the journey started, when I'm in the trail. Alright? Like my video, subscribe. Don't forget to share with family and friends. Tell a friend to subscribe, guys. As you do. God bless you. See you guys on my next one. Bye, guys. Yes, guys. I told you guys that if I'm inside the train, that I will show you guys the movement. We're going back to Dortmund. We're just leaving Berlin Hauptbahnhof. So you can see the weather is not pure. It's raining over here in Berlin. Alright. So hope you guys enjoy my journey to Berlin with train. Let's take over some videos of Christmas market and Alexander Plaza and all that. A little bit of Berlin, Friedrichshain, Berlin, Warsaw, East Side Mall, built there, Mercedes Arena and all that. All these are my videos, guys, but I need some time to be able to start uploading them gradually, which I'm gonna do as soon as I reach my next destination, being Dortmund, guys. If today is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome here. Or seeing my channel, you're welcome. Consider subscribing before leaving. Like the video, share with friends, families, your beloved ones, your well-wishers. Tell a friend to subscribe to Succesful TV on YouTube platform. As you do, God will bless you guys. So this is the train where it looks like. See what I see, I'm inside here, and this is the show you guys that here is B Charlotte Park. So it's like it's gonna be taking stops and all that, but I'm getting down anyway. I'm only getting down at Magdeburg. At Magdeburg, I'm gonna change my train to connect to the other train as we move, guys. So I say it will make sense to show you guys my going back as well, because I know I show you guys when I was coming to Berlin. So now that I'm going back to Dortmund, I feel it's gonna make sense if I show you guys. Alright, so hopefully to capture and cover some on this journey as we move. Alright, I'm gonna source one or two things out right now. My SD card is giving me some sign I don't have enough space there, which I'm gonna try to delete some videos from my phone to be able to download the new footprint I got on my GoPro, to download it on my phone on the app. Then I will be able to empty the SD card space. Once I empty the SD card space, it will enable me to video more. Alright, guys, so that's it. That is it. You are watching on Succesful, a content creator, a YouTuber, a vlogger as well. Subscribe, support the channel. If you like what I'm doing, you can support the channel by sending me super chat, super sticker, joining our members page to become the part of the family as we embark on this YouTube journey of 18. As you do, God bless you. Alright, I'll show you guys bit by bit as the train drive down to my bright destination, Dortmund. See you guys in a jiffy. Yeah, beautiful people, I'm still here, arriving right now at Magdeburg, up and off, guys. So Magdeburg is the first stop. This is the place I will join my second train to get to Braunschweig. From Magdeburg to Braunschweig. From Braunschweig to Bielefeld. From Bielefeld then to Dortmund. Yeah, so this is me still inside the train. I'm going out right now, guys. That is it. Yeah, my beautiful people, look at that. I'm here, Magdeburg. Beautiful, awesome. This was the place that I was when I was coming. Yeah, when I was traveling to Berlin. This is my journey to Berlin. In case today is your first time seeing me here. Yeah, my beautiful people, wherever you're watching me from, God bless you. You're watching Onyacha Piasu here. If today is your first time coming across my videos or my channel, thank you for stopping by. God bless you. You are watching Onyacha Piasu TV right here on YouTube. You are watching at Piasu. Piasu on TikTok. You're watching Miss Michaela Movie on Facebook. You're watching at Piasu at Movie86 on Instagram. Alright, guys, I'm still on this my journey from Berlin to Dortmund, guys. I left Berlin, up and off 9:01. All right, then I get to Magdeburg. Yeah, from Magdeburg I have to connect my train to Braunschweig, but it's a pity they don't have a train at Magdeburg. So I was clever enough to realize that, and I just went to their information office down the Bahnhof. I asked them and they just gave me a new plan. So we used bus, guys. My camera memory was full. That's the reason why I did not capture any video from using that bus, because we are jam-packed, really jam-packed inside this bus. But I thank God we managed with this bus to get somewhere, and now we are inside the bus. So it happens that this bus on weekend, their traveling plans do change. I'm inside the train right now, guys. For more than 1 hour I've been inside this train. We are about to leave the place. You can see me on Piasu here. So right now we are driving down to Braunschweig. Oh, I look so tata. I need to shave, guys. But that I'm gonna do when I'm in Dortmund. So right now we are about to drive to Braunschweig. When we get to Braunschweig, from Braunschweig I'm gonna connect my train to Bielefeld, guys. I think we're not gonna stop at Minden the way I have the plan. Yeah, so let's go, guys. I changed my train again at Bielefeld. From Bielefeld then direct to Dortmund, guys. Thank you for always coming back. If you're my return subscriber, God bless you for always coming back to watch my video. I've gone through stress, so much stress this period of time, guys. But anyways, I know I'm gonna be okay again. Yeah, stress of renewing my passport. I need to renew my passport to upload it on YouTube and all that. I need the documents too for my job and all that. So hopefully, lack of sleeping makes me look like this too, because since I've been in Berlin I hardly sleep. You know, sleepless nights when you are in need. You know how it goes. So guys, I just said let me tell you guys how my journey was going on, and I'm still here. Hopefully the train will move soonest. Alright, so follow me as we go back to Dortmund. That's my bag, my cap. Alright, yeah, that's me. My dressing, you know it's too cold. So this is my dressing, guys. It's my dressing, from head to toe. Alright, 2 jackets. Alright guys, so let's go as I show you guys my journey back to Dortmund. Yeah, the train has left. We move towards Braunschweig, which we're gonna arrive there around 14:41, like 19 minutes to 3. All these places are farmlands. You can see that all those places are farmlands. Arable farmlands. Alright guys, this is our Piazza here as we travel down to Braunschweig. I will be filming slowly but surely guys. So let me, for now, I'll see you guys soon as we reach Braunschweig guys. Bye. Over here you can see very small village guys. Germans, they do have villages. Alright, it's not all about city. You can see this place is a very small village over here with few houses. Alright, Ovalgune is the name of this village. This is one of the Germans' village, and you can only be opportune to see them if you travel with train like this. Alright, and right there you can see that is electricity, windstorm, wind electricity that is generated by the winds, if I'm not mistaken. That's what I'm showing you guys here. You can see that. So all these places, they use it to mount these their poles for electricity, guys. Alright, let's go. And here we arrive at another village, Ellisleben. All these small villages are under Magdeburg. You can see over there Magdeburg means Magdeburg. Alright, so this is the villages of Magdeburg. Then this one looks a little bit like it's developed more than the first one we passed. Let's see it from here. People are also waiting for train. See that? That's village for you guys. It's village, but they do build roads. They build roads and they install electricity. Make sure the people have clean water. That's the way of life, guys. Yes. So I'm using my phone to film this time around. Reason, my memory card is full and my phone is almost full as well. So I have a very big work to do when I get home. Upload and delete, upload and delete. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Upload and delete lots so that I can have space. And I have a plan. Sorry guys. I have a plan, guys, to at least buy another SD card, another memory card, a bigger one, 256. What I'm using right now is 128, but I will buy 256 to enable me contain and save more videos. Alright? Yeah. My next plan is to buy a laptop. I've said it times without number. That will do it soonest because it's very important and essential in content creating contents, vlogging, making YouTube videos, TikTok videos. Deserve a laptop because of my GoPro. Alright. If I use the GoPro, the professional setting of it, to film or create content most times, the files are always large. To edit them seems to be big wahala, so big problem. So I need to buy a laptop to be able to always edit my videos, guys. Alright, let me stop this here. Okay, we are stopping again. We are stopping again over here. This way. Another small town. Very small. Huh? Ah, okay, tickets.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
That's good.
Okay. Okay. And this place is called Veffensleben. Small city. Anyway, sorry for the interruption. The controller, beautiful lady for that matter, her work is controlling people in the train, asking for tickets. If you don't have a ticket, she will write you and issue a penalty to pay because you don't buy your ticket. So one never knows when they do jump in the train to start asking for tickets. To be on the safe side, always make sure you buy your ticket. Alright, so this is the small village. Small village is Hupassen. Let's go. Next stop is Marienborn, guys. Marienborn.
Ausstieg in Fahrtrichtung
swaps the rail, we change to another rail. Looks like the train is dancing, but it's all good. So this place is called Marimba, as they announced. Well, the way I'm looking at this place looks like no houses. It's pure in this village. Okay, here we are. Road building over here. Guys, please, before you leave this channel, consider subscribing. As you do, God bless you. Like the videos. Like the videos, I'm begging. The essence of liking the videos is for YouTube to be able to recommend my videos to other people as well to watch. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to Successful TV. Like my videos, watch my videos till the end. Don't skip if you see ads. Alright? Comment decently. Tell me the kind of videos you like watching, the kind of videos you want me to be bringing for you guys, my guys, my fans. You can comment down below on the comment section. Show me love, guys. Love is free. Subscribing to my channel is a way of showing me love. Liking my videos is a way of showing me love. Alright? Watching my videos to the end is a way of showing me love. Watching my videos without skipping it is a way of showing me love also. Love is free, guys. Show me love. Thank you, guys. Keep watching my videos. Successful here. Yeah, my Wanga people. So we are approaching another city right here, which they announced and called the city Elfe, if I'm not mistaken. That's here with you. Hemstedt. Not Elfe, Hemstedt. See the buildings over here. Yeah, at this place I'm alone. You can see here. Nobody is here with me, guys. I'm alone. I wanted to go up as well, but I just decided, okay, let me just stay here. See this city. This city is big. France is not village, it's city. another city, trying to see if I will see the name of this city. Says, she said it's Amstead. Amstead, guys. People are following the trend as normal. You see me here, showing you guys. Don't fall. I nearly fell off, guys. It's okay.
Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen in der RB40, der Sie die Region Südosten nach Braunschweig Hauptbahnhof. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine angenehme Reise.
So we are approaching Braunschweig Hauptbahnhof right now, guys. Awesome. Hopefully I catch my train there without waiting so long, because the traveling plan I have with him is being changed. It's being changed, guys. My traveling documents. So from Braunschweig, I don't even know if I will still meet the train there, but I will just go to their information room office and ask them. They have to print another traveling plan, tell me the train I will use to further my journey to Bielefeld and Dortmund. Alright, guys? Okay, we move. And this place is called Königslucker. Another town or city over here. Königslucker. Königslucker. That's what I hear. Another village. So from this side too. Königslucker can also be a small town, who knows, because it looks actually like a town. So right now we stop here at Königslucker. Yeah, and we move. We move. Who's behind the camera? If today is your first time seeing me, God bless you. God bless you. Peace. Alright? Let's go. Hey guys, we are here. We are Braunschweig main station. See, come here. Sorry guys, if the video is shaking. Yeah, we are here. Yeah, right. Hopefully I find I find a train here that is going to Dortmund. It's not gonna be fun.
Ihre nächsten Anschlüsse KW 45 nach Schöpfenstedt über Wolfenbüttel, Abfahrt 14:50 von Gleis 3a. KW 47 nach Höhe über Gifhorn, Abfahrt 15:03 OB. KW 46
That is now something.
Abfahrt
I have to go to
15:03
there. I have to go down to information board, ask them the next connection train that I can be able to use. It's all I need right now. Because this branch fair was where I missed my train while traveling to Berlin a couple of days ago. So I hope today it's not gonna be difficult or long to connect another train, guys. I really need to go home. I'm exhausted, tired and hungry, feeling pains all over my body. I'm not complaining, guys, but let me quickly take you guys. Where I'm going right now. You guys can see me here. It's up here. Long line. That's what we got here. I think it's better I start going up, guys. This is a brunch fair. When I was going, this place was the place I missed my train. So going back to Dortmund, I will not afford to miss my train again. Yeah, so I asked them at information board and they gave me traveling plan, that the train is coming 15:20 and it's this one here, R70. You can see that 15:20 going through Hanover to Bielefeld Hauptbahnhof. So I have to get down at Bielefeld Hauptbahnhof. If I get down there, I will take the next train to Dortmund, guys. So let's go, guys. I just want to go there right now, flash 5 and stay there. I don't want story. All right. Okay. Flash is station. In case you're wondering what is flash 5, flash 5 is station 5. You can see here they have 1 and 2A. Right there they have 3B, 4B, 3A, 4A. Then at this board you can see 5 to 8. So 5 to 8. And this one is 5B. And this one is 5A, 6. And over here is 7 and 8. But in my ticket it shows 5. Let me check it again before I pass where I'm gonna join my train. So right here, let me show you guys. You can see that Gleich 5. So at Bielefeld, Gleich 3. Okay. Let's go find it. /5, I have to go back that way. /5. Belly fed hot banner. It's right there. So this one they put 5A and others. We confuse someone, eh? So we are using R70. You see that? R70. The wind is too much. Wow. Yeah. Branch fake. Yes. Code is coding, guys. Whoa. We're here. Watch break. Waiting for the connection flight, guys. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
That's my YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
I am Muslim, but happy Merry Christmas, my friend.
Thank you very much.
You are brother. You are brother.
Brothers. One love.
One love.
One love. Alles klar. Wir
Gute
sehen uns.
Herz, gute
Ja.
Herz, wir sehen uns.
Subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe you,
Yeah.
your channel. Warte,
Chapiassen. Weil diese Video wird es zu dich
Achso,
und mich
ich will
sehen.
mich sie wieder sehen.
Ja, wird es zu sehen bei meiner YouTube.
Wo ist your YouTube? Schreib mal den
Oh ja,
YouTube-Namen.
hier, mach mal so. Oh ja, ja, so.
Oh, that's you.
Ja, bin ich, da mach mal so. Dann kommst du hier.
Abonnieren.
Dann machst du die Bell.
Jetzt richtig.
Ne, hast du weit gegangen.
Achso, ich bin weitergegangen.
Aha. Ist okay.
Warte, ich mache ein Like von your Video.
Genau.
Und ich kann your
Und
Video
dann,
wieder sehen.
wir sehen uns.
Wir sehen uns, mein Freund.
Schönes.
Happy New Year. Happy New
Schönes,
Year.
schönes.
Tschüss.
Ciao, Mann.
Ciao.
Danke. Yeah, guys. That is how we're doing it. And this is the way to go. I thank God. The guy saw me and he liked my video. He liked what I'm doing. And I asked him to subscribe, guys. And he did. Right in front of me. The guy subscribed, which I like. I like it so much. Yeah. Back to Dortmund. Back to Dortmund, guys. Yes. Back to Dortmund. We're going home. I hope I'm in the right direction, guys. I don't know how many years. How many years I have not. How many years I have not even used this train here. And I don't know the direction. Well, I have to check it. I think I'm in the right direction. Yeah, I'm in the right direction, guys. So, that is just it. Yeah, so we take the tram and go home. And I just want to say thank you very much to each and every one of you that have been watching me. See you guys on my next one. You also say what? Bye guys. See you on my next one.